ladies and gentlemen, we are live with the voice of Bart Simpson. This is the enzyme cleansing mask. It's pumpkin. It smells like a goddamn pumpkin pie.
You need a spoon to eat it. Put it on your face.
Like sometimes you mask in certain areas. The clogged areas could use a little more exfoliation. So I want you to put a little bit of this on around the nose area and the chin. A nice amount around the nose.
Now, mind you, I normally wear glasses, so I'm kind of doing this blindly, but that's
you know where your nose is.
In the chin.
Yeah. Right?
Oh, not the whole face, hey?
No, you could totally do the whole face. Okay, I'm putting... Now, I always tell people that, the pumpkin mask is not pretty. I didn't put a bunch of, fillers in the pumpkin mask to kind of make it, look cute. Because I didn't want to put a separation between the pumpkin, papaya, and pineapple enzymes. The first ingredient in this is pumpkin pulp.
Wow.
Right? And I could add dimethicones and silicones and acrylates, which are plastics and vaselines that will make it look good, but it diminishes the actives.
The effectiveness of it. Yeah. I get it. That's really smart.
So it might look...
You're getting your nipples worth, I'm telling you.
Oh, see, I'm already feeling the burn.
Wow.
Like on my chin and my nose.
You said you're feeling the burn and I'm not, so that doesn't mean it's not working on me, right?
It's not. Some people feel it, some people don't. Now, I took a steamy shower this morning.
Okay,
You didn't take a steamy shower. So the steamy pre-shower opened up my pores a little bit more than yours are.
Yeah. And I also I have a little makeup on. I wanted to, just a little bit so you can see, but we're going to be cleansing all this off.
So yes, but that's precisely why. It's kind of like when you get your hair dyed, they tell you don't wash your hair. Keep a little bit of that oil, it kind of protects it. So to me, I will sometimes just mask, even when I have makeup on, I kind of use the mask as a super cleanser. And it's also a little more gentle too.
Okay.
So it's good, it's a little more protective.
Cleansing, what? And I'm just going to drop it in the water, right?
Drop it in.
Wait. Oh, how fun. And it's magic too. There's a really good quality to this. Oh, it's kind of woven.
Right, so it rinses. You can reuse this within the same cleansing, but then you toss it when you're done, and it is a super hygienic way to clean off your makeup. It doesn't have any chemicals that are on it. There's nothing. It's just, So it's just 100% biodegradable viscose.
I was going to say, plain Mother Earth is sighing a sigh of relief.
What's so great about these is, number one, they're like how big these babies are, right? They're big, they're strong.
I just rinsed it out so I can do it again.
Yeah, see, look at it. It rinses totally clean.
Yeah. Is there anything on it that it's just a cloth?
It's just a cloth.
Yeah, okay.
And then you would take your towel and then, dry your face. You need a little dryer, you're good. And then you wipe the counter off, and then you throw it away. You wipe your sink, and then you've got this nice, it's cleaned it off, right?
Yeah. Fresh face.
Fresh face.